I, Sri Eka Chakraborty, once again attract to you for taking online classes. Today, I would like to ask you on another part of my subject, that is business communications, elements of business communication. It is a well-known fact that the world runs on three pillars, namely 1. Information, number 2. Education, and number 3. Communications. What is communications? It is the art and science of interaction of news. Interaction of news. When, that is the interaction of information. News is information. When an information is received by us, it percolates in our brain and helps and evokes in us thought about the matter, which we then communicate to others. Until and unless any information percolates in our brain, we are not educated about the matter, and unless we are educated about the matter, we cannot communicate it among others. So this is, in short, the three big pillars. Nowadays, every person is engaged, and a significant proportion of them goes for acquiring service. Gone are those days when relying on land only would enable us to earn our livelihood. Population has increased, competition has increased, complications have increased. The pressure of land have increased, which has resulted in low yield per capita in agricultural sector, and this has compelled and is still compelling and will go on compelling the upcoming working force to seek their fate in other sectors, that is in service, either in industry or in service sector. To whatever sector they may take shelter, they will have to work, and to get work, they will have to apply either suo motu or on reliable information, that is reliable source of information, or from advertisement. The process of submission takes the form of vita curriculum or biodata. It is accompanied with a brief introduction, brief prayer at the beginning and also at the end. So, in order to write a biodata, we cite an example of how to prepare it. For instance, you are a fresh comer, just graduated, and you have undergone training in land survey. So, you are preparing to be a surveyor of land and is therefore going to apply to a concern, say Messrs. XXX. So, how shall you start? Start with टू दी हेड ऑफ द ऑफिस का नाम बोलो अभी, से डायरेक्टर, टू दी डायरेक्टर Messrs XXX. Next, you come to subject, application for the post of survey or of land. Now, start with very simple language, but must it be attractive also. You start with as sir. A reference with you may also a reference use. You may also use a reference. That is so. Next to subject, you write the reference. Your advertisement in a newspaper, उसका नाम दो अमृत बाजार पत्रिका, date asks may be given today's date, that is 11th May 2020. So reference will be your advertisement in the Amrita Bazar Patrika dated 11th May 2020. Now next start the biodata. First will be some few introductory lines. Sir, with reference to your advertisement in the Amrita Bazar Patrika dated 11th May 2020, seeking persons as surveyor of land in your esteemed institution, I beg to offer myself as a candidate for the same. I beg to offer myself as a candidate for the same. I furnish below a brief resume of my biodata for your kind perusal and sympathetic consideration. This is the introductory line that ends here. Now the actual CV starts. First, write your name. Say Arun Kumar Chakraborty. Date of birth. Say 11th October 1994. 11th October 1994. Place of birth Shantiniketan, District Birbhum. Name of father Ashok Chakraborty. The date of birth is complete, name of father is complete. Communicating address is name. First write down the name of the place, say Gurupalli, Shantiniketan, post office and police station Shantiniketan, district Birbhum. Next, you will have to write down your academic experiences and non-academic, extra-academic curriculum. As for academic part, write in tabular form. Serial number 1, passed Madhyamik from the West Bengal Board of Secondary Education. Year of passing as a 2011, year of person 2011, subjects studied Bengali, English, mathematics, life science, physical science, geography and work education. Percentage of marks obtained 85%. Remarks, I obtained remarks obtained star marks, star position. Second, passed higher secondary examination of the Council of Secondary Education passed in the year 2013. Subject studied English, Bengali, geography, mathematics and statistics. Marks obtained 72%. Third, graduated in geoscience in the year 2016. The subject studied English, Bengali, geography, statistics and mathematics. Percentage of marks obtained is 72. Fourth, postgraduated in geography from graduated from insert the name of your college and also under the University of Bardhaman. Postgraduated in geography from Bardhaman University. Marks obtained 73%. This is the academic part of your CV. Extra academic part which consists of other experiences like sports, cultural activities, etc. such as completed graduation in sports medicine or sports from Patiala in the year 2020. This means you are a fresh comer. Some of you might have joined the NCC or might be a member of Boys and Girls Scouts and Guides. If you are a member of that also, you should mention it as a second extra academic qualification. And by your first extra academic qualification, you are clearly mentioned that you were a sportsman. You now need to write the discipline of sports, say football, volleyball, etc. So this completes your extra academic qualifications also. Experience of work. I have just started working as a surveyor in a small farm in Bolpur. Produce the experience letter that you are working there and no objection letter from there. So write down in remarks the experience, no objection certificate from the authority where you are working. In the finishing, you have to write again, Sir, I do solemnly affirm that the above informations are true to the best of my knowledge and belief. Should any information proves false, I will accept any punishment unleashed on me in terms of law and oblige. Hoping for consideration, I remain. Now you write down your name with date.